Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 summer Pinterest outfits where I take pictures, outfits that I was inspired from my Pinterest board and recreate them using clothes that I already have in my own wardrobe. Love these videos. They're just so good because they really help us use what we already have, okay? And I know if you're watching this, you probably already have a lot of things too. Maybe not the exact same outfits, and that's okay. But I'm trying to encourage you to use what we have, find blanks in your wardrobe, all of those things. But these are my favorite. So without further ado, let's jump in. Remember how I was talking about how much I hated denim shorts? Well, I lied. No, I'm just kidding. I found a pair from Target. They look like the ones that I want from Quince, but I got the wrong size and they don't have them in stock right now. So I'm waiting, but I think they're really close, like, not dupe because they're like, I guess they're a little cheaper. I don't know. Nonetheless, this is the first look. She's like a more of a long denim short, black shirt, just cute, just good. Okay, so let's do it. Let's start with the shorts in question. If you saw me hating on shorts, then you saw that I just didn't want super high-rise shorts anymore. I don't think these are really that high-rise. They're a little high-rise. Wait, are these high-rise and I just don't know it? No, they're mid-rise. Okay, that's what I thought. Mid-rise 90s baggy Bermuda. I saw these and I was like, okay, those look identical to my Quince ones. I did get these in a size 4. I kind of think that I should do a 6, but then I also think that they will stretch. Not because the 4s don't fit, just because I kind of wanted a looser fit. But I don't know. So they have a button fly, and yeah, they truly are mid-rise. They come right below my belly button, which I really like. I think these fit very nicely. I wanted more of a slouchier fit, but I think for like a loose, comfy fit, the 4 is nice. So these shorts in question, I think these are nice, honestly. Okay, I think I would just return the Quince ones just to put it into, these are the Quince. Very similar. A lot wider, a lot baggier. These like fit a little tighter in the thighs, but still not like tight in the thighs. There's still plenty of room. Okay, let's put on a black t-shirt. Guys, I've been like eating like a trash panda for the last like 3 weekends. It's kind of an issue. I need to get back on my like healthy lifestyle because I've kind of fallen off of it. I'm not gonna lie. So hold me accountable to that. I also need to fill in this spot in my brow because I definitely don't grow eyebrows there. And it's weird. But YOLO. I also think I chopped my eyebrows a little bit too thin today. Okay, anyway, let's give it a full tuck around. Yeah, these shorts are actually really cute and they're so comfortable. Okay, they're a keeper. She was like, they didn't have a tag on them when I was like going to check them out because I do self-checkout, and she was like, well, are you gonna return them? And I was like, I don't know, I don't want to, but I didn't try them on, so I don't know. And no, they work, but she had to like manually type them in because I was like, I don't want them to be like, no, girl, this isn't that. You know. Okay, belt. Old Faithful. I've had this for years. It's just so good. They still sell it. I feel like maybe one of my thighs is bigger than the other, or these shorts are a little bit different. I don't know. But also, I like when the seams kind of come more towards the front of the short. I think it's flattering. Why are you not getting in that? There we go. Oh my god, my girl Paula Zahn, if you watch like that or Murder Mystery, whatever it is, she just released a new season, so I've been binging that. It's been great. I mean, she released it a while ago. I'm just catching up. Where's my brush? I did rollers this morning. Just got a little fluffy. Rollers are easy when I want my hair to look good but I don't want to put any effort into it, and I don't really know what I want to do with it. You know what I mean? Because this just gives like the style you never know what's coming out of it, you know? I look like I'm going to a Shania Twain concert or Trisha Yearwood. Anyway, okay, that's it. And then for shoes, big chunky sandals. One of my faves from Quince. Oh my god, I put the toe in the wrong way. See, like the fluff is just there. It makes no sense, but it works. Love, cute. Okay, let's put on sunnies. She's got a giant bag. Hold on. So easy with love. Ah, fall. Make me love. I don't have that big of a bag. I definitely would not wear this bag either. I mean, her bag is a little bit more of a bag than a tote. You know what I really want to do? There's this tote from, it's called Alice in Wonder, and I want it so bad. But also, I could do an L Bean tote, would be really cute. But okay, this is the look. Look number one, her, me. I think we absolutely nailed it, and I love this outfit. It's very cute, super easy. Such a good look. Okay, we nailed it. Let's move on to look number two. I don't want to take these shorts off. I'm so happy I got these. I think they're so good. Okay, we're going to Target. If you also, like me, don't really love denim shorts, but want more of like mid-rise, not high-rise. These are good jeans. Okay, let's move on to look number two. Speaking of jeans, we're going to put on my Goldie jeans, which I have not put on in forever because I just haven't been wearing jeans. Obviously, it's summer. And specifically these jeans, because these are more of like my fancier jean. I wear my Uniqlo jeans all the time. Can you all hear Scout? Okay, let's put on our dark wash, a Goldie 90s pinch waist. Okay, these jeans are like, I would consider them stupid expensive. But I've been watching all of the videos that are like things that are expensive but worth it, and people like say the Kate Danielle jeans, and I'm like, who is spending $500? Like, who? I have a tissue in my pocket. I don't know for what. Anyway, these are more of like, definitely more of a higher rise, but still kind of mid. I would say high rise is like here, maybe not, I don't know. I don't know, like, yeah, I would consider these like a mid-rise. I don't know. Anyway, these are kind of expensive, $200 something, but they are really, 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 really good. I will say comparable to the Levi 501s in my personal opinion. Okay, let's put on a little navy tube top. Shall we? We shall. There is a like semi-parked right on our side of the road. It's weirding me out because, I mean, there's no like, it's just the truck, but they can like see into our backyard from like their cabin thing, which is kind of weirding me out. And I'm like, I've been there for over a day now. I don't know who it belongs to. And I'm kind of just like, should I call? Should I be that person? Okay. Tube top, I think hers is not navy, I don't know, but love. Okay, she has a cute pair of sandals. I do not. I'm gonna try these though. I haven't worn these yet this year, and they're one of my faves from H&M. Yeah, these are cute. Yeah, I think they'll get the same kind of look. I need to cut off these little extra danglies on my watch, but these jeans just fit the body, like, but don't hug it and make it feel like smothered and tight. I don't know how to explain it, but it's the best thing in the world. Okay. Nicholas, she has like this colorful, hers isn't as colorful as this one's gonna be, but it's summer, so who cares? I think it's cute. Love. Love, love. It's basic, but it's plain, but it's adorable. And this little like linen tube top from Quince is super cute. Oh my god, I'm stepping on my shoes like a gorilla. I like look number 2. I feel like we kind of nailed it. I mean, it's different, but same difference. All right. Look number 3. Hold on, I need a sip. I need a sip of my drink. Bring me to life. Okay. Look number 2. She got like a white on white. I feel like this white tank is like the perfect. And you can see her little, all her stuff. I'm gonna put a bralette on because y'all don't need to be seeing all that stuff, okay? So let's put on first. I think she has jeans on, but I'm gonna go with linen pants. It's summer, flowy, white linen pants works. I think there was a time when I lived in linen pants, and that has just not been the case as much this year. I don't know why. Okay, let's put on a white tank. I'm gonna put on my Glasson, whatever. I don't know how to call it. It's like my favorite little white tank. The best white tank, like truly the best. You don't have to wear a bra with it. It is a little see-through though, so I do. These whites aren't the same, but we'll make it work. I'm just gonna fold up my little linen pants like such. When I fold it though, it gives me new booty, but you know, what else? I don't have much of a booty anyway. Okay, the key is with this. If you want to do a button-up shirt around the waist, you need to at least button 2 of the buttons or else it looks crazy. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're going to see Zach Bryan in concert on, what, in July, I think? Or no, August. Scott got us tickets and I'm literally so excited. Okay, these are my top, like, people I want to see. Morgan Wallen, Zach Bryan, and why can't I think of her name? I can see her in my brain. Not Lainey Wilson. Ella Langley. Did I say Morgan Wallen? Yeah, I think I already said Morgan Wallen. I also really want to see Brand New. They come to town October, but I know no one that likes Brand New, which is such a shame because they're such a good band. Whatever. Anyway, they're like my gym music. Okay. Bass on. Just a flip-flop. I can't with your fingers. Today's not the day. As I make them clunk even more. Cute. Cute, cute. Okay. We're gonna put on a sunny. So good. I feel like I've worn an outfit similar to this. This is so cute though. These tank tops, I'm telling you, shuck you right in. You can wear a bra with it. The straps are so good. I like live in these tank tops. I have it in black and in white. There are a bunch of other colors too, but they're just like so good. Okay. Love it. That was look number 3. Nailed it, I think. I feel like the white on the white is a little strange because there's 2 different color whites. But tie something on the waist. Ta-da. Okay. Look number 4. I'm so excited about this. Obvi, it's like my favorite things. But here's the deal. Is this a hair? Yeah, hair. I have yet to try on this top, so let's first put on the pants. My Gap pants. I have been loving these like sort of baby doll tops, and I ordered this one from Quince. I got it in a medium though. I thought I got it in a small. So let's see if it'll actually work, but let's first put on the pants. La, 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 la. One thing I will say is I wish these were just like a tiny bit shorter because they kind of get bodysuit and I'm over the bodysuit vibe. This is cute. Da, 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 da. Let's try this on before I take the tags off. Let's put on my red flippies. Oy. These are so much more clunkier than my black ones, but these are the Zara Havaiana collab. I think it's just regular Havaianas, to be honest. They don't say Zara on them. I don't think. No. They're just like the thicker ones. I like honestly do prefer the thinner ones, but these are comfy too. Okay, let's put on that little white baby doll top and see if it works. I'm praying. I'm gonna take this off like this because I don't want to go over my head. Ah, love. Okay, I didn't know if the medium would be good, but I honestly like. I'm like wondering if, you know. See, here's the deal with Quince things. I find that if I size down, even though like a medium small is my size, it doesn't matter. The armholes. That's the only thing on that like little gingham dress. I love the gingham dress, and I have a feeling it's not gonna come back in stock. I'm annoyed by. Maybe it will. I just feel like it's a summer limited edition color. But anyways, the armpit holes can be really snug, and this one's perfect. So I feel like if I went on a small, it would be an inch higher, and I would hate it. So, love. Okay, this is so cute. Let me take the tags off. I already know some people are gonna be like, girl, it looks like a PJ top I would have worn when I was 3. It's like, okay, cool story, bro. But this is so adorable. It's kind of stretchy. It is 100% cotton. Nope, cotton and viscose. So cute though, obsessed. Okay, and she has a necklace on. Do this one. I feel like this edges it up a little bit. You obviously don't have to. It's cute without the necklace, honestly. Honestly, I don't know if I love the necklace. I feel like the necklace is sloppy. I think we're just gonna go plain. I have gotten my cost per wear out of these pants is like pennies. Penties. Okay, also, y'all told me to keep this bag. I got it from Shein like a long time ago. Not a long time ago, this summer. And I was like, I don't know, it's giving duct tape wallet. But then I literally saw on my Pinterest an ad for this bag, not this bag, a similar bag on Amazon for $180. It was like, I paid like $13 and thought it wasn't good enough quality to keep. But I honestly have gotten my wear out of it, and I love it, especially for like pool / whatever. Beach days I wore it so much in Mexico, but it's so cute. So she's a little red bag. It's the perfect like shoulder thing too. Red flippies. This is an adorable outfit. Good thing I'm staying in this for the rest of the day. Love! Nailed it. Nailed this outfit. Yes, this top is so cute. They have it in like blue too, which I might need to hop on over and get it in blue. So cute. Okay, that was it. Let me know. What's your favorite outfit? You know what I would have done instead? Let me show you. Hold on. I don't know. Look, let's actually check first. But I'd probably do this instead of that long necklace if I was feeling jazzy snazzy. But honestly, I think this has enough interest. You don't need it. Okay. Favorite outfit? I want to know. Comments down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.